In the last video, we saw how to remove an element from the storage and also from the pages array. Now, if I add a new city, now we've added London as a new city, and I click on edit, you can see we have the delete button or icon being displayed. Now, if the user decides to delete every location from the storage, starting with London, and the user can also delete his own location, which is Tallinn. Now you can see we just have an empty page, a blank page. Nothing is being displayed. If I go to the side menu, you can see here nothing is being displayed. So what I want to do is the user will be able to delete every other location, but his own location, we are not going to display the delete button or the delete icon. So once the user clicks this, for every other location, the delete icon will be displayed, but for the user's own location, the delete icon will not be displayed, so that if the user decides to delete every location, we are still going to have the user's location. So to do that, we are going to add another statement inside this ng if, and it's going to be a string. What we are going to do is first create a variable of type string. Now this variable, you can give it any name. I'm just calling it loc, short for location. Now this variable is going to hold the name of the user's current location, and we can get that from here. So I'll say this.loc is equal to res at index 0 dot name. Now this is going to hold the name of the user's current location. So that is why I'm passing inside this loc variable, which is of type string. Now that we have this, whenever this is called and we subscribe to the current weather method or observable, the name of the location of the user will be added to this variable. The next thing to do is I'll go into app.html. Right here inside this ng if, where we have this hide delete, I'll add double ampersand. We want to perform another check. So we want to check that the user's location loc is not equal to p.weather.name. So this ng if will only hold if we have this hide delete and the location is not equal to the user's current location. If the location is equal to the user's current location, then we are not going to display this button. Take for example, if the user's current location is London, and looping through this array, the location value stored in loc is equal to London. That is what we have here. We are not going to display this trash. But if they are different, say maybe the location is London and the location we have right here is something different, say Madrid, then we are going to display this trash icon. So now that I have this, I just need to save, then go back here. So right now I have the user's current location. If I click this, now we are having this error. So I just need to make a change somewhere, something here, and I'll save, go back here. Sometimes the reason why those errors appear is because the changes have not been applied. So when you reload the page and you get such errors, try to maybe go change something, then try to save, and it's going to apply the changes. So now if I go here, click, here it said cannot read property name of undefined. Let's go back. Oh, here, this is supposed to be current because that is what I have here. Current, not weather. So I'll change this to current. So I'll save right now, go back. So I'll go ahead, click. Now you can see the trash icon is not displayed. So let me add another city here. So London has been added. You can see. So I'll open the trash, click here. Now you can see on the user's own location, the trash is not displayed because we don't want to delete the trash icon or we don't want to delete the user's location. If I close, open, close, if I add another location, right here you can see it's been displayed, but for the user's own location it is not displayed. So I can hide this. This is for London, this is for Tallinn, this is for Madrid. So you can see now that we are able to delete properties from the storage, but leaving out the user's own location because we are not displaying the trash or the delete button.